Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to remove Binance P2P restricted. So if you open up your Binance, right, and then you click your assets here at the bottom, right, and you want to add funds, right, you can use here P2P trading, right. You can pay using your local bank, and the receiver would send USDT directly onto your account, right? So if P2P is restricted, it can be due to several reasons. Probably incomplete identity. So go ahead to your profile at the bottom right. Make sure that you verify your account. Let me go back here, show you, right? Go home, click your avatar icon. Make sure your account is fully verified, right? Submit any necessary documents, right? Usually password and ID, and of course proof of address, and then you're gonna be able to access the P2P trading, right? Or what you're gonna do, if the problem persists, even though you already verified your account, click the earphones here at the top right, or the headphones icon. It will take you to Binance support, right? And you're gonna explain to them directly to Binance that I have a problem that Binance P2P is restricted even though I verified my account. So hit get support here at the bottom, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type your problem and you're gonna submit the requested documents to verify that this is your account, okay? So consider liking this video, subscribing. Avoid getting restricted again. Always follow P2P trading rules. Maybe you violated some of the rules there, right? Respond quickly to orders. Avoid canceling too many trades and never share personal payment info in the chat. And that's it, right? Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.